You can impose Krishna is my friend. Okay. Very easy. Huh? Understand? This is Krishna my friend, embracing Krishna and offer to and fruits. This. But you cannot do this way. You can, even your sadhak stage is there. You cannot offer your own. Even where is the sadhak stage, automatically opulence mode is there. So for this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad explains sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena, chatra. Sadhak stage and siddha stage. साधक रूपेण सिद्ध रूपेण साधक के opulence automatically. A siddha stage, when you realize your transcendental constitution, then easy it can do. So far they are saying, mane mane siddha diha kariya bhavan, ratri dine Radha Krishna karahi seva. Mane mane siddha diha kariya bhavan. But mane mane means is what? Not your just speculative mind. When you come in the stage of asakti and bhav, that time you achieve sadhu. Mahaprabhu gave instruction to Raghunath Das Goswami. From bottom to high. First what is saying Mahaprabhu? Markar vairagya karo, nadika lok dekaiya, jatha jatha visay bhunja, anasikta maya. Antar nishtha karo, vajje lok vyavahar, achirate Krishna tomai koriben uddhar. Raghunath Das Goswami, when he met with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Raghunath Das Goswami, he prayed to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Ye Prabhu, I will go with you. I don't want to stay in my house. I want to go with you. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is going Jagannath Puri. So Raghunath Das, he told, oh, I want to go with you Jagannath Puri. Then Mahaprabhu told, no.
Come, Tradanambo, just bring me one better. Now there's another one.
So that time Mahaprabhu gave first instruction to him. First you fix your mind. In this way, Raghunath Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is teaching to us sadhaks. If your mind is not fixed, then how do bhajan inside? Hey, you fall down, then your head will be cut. So saying this way, he first fix your mind. Hey, listen. First, fix your mind. And one who will not fix your mind, how will you do bhajan inside?
Is it good to fix your mind to make puja in this Vatsalya Bhav? Let's say, for the example of
When you first fix your mind, I will do this life, I will do bhajan and sadhana. Guru Guste Guslesu Sujane Busavane Sanamji Bhajanava Jiva Danda Sarane Sada Dhamma Hitva Uditaram Aye Santavato Chutuvi Ovi Jache Dhrita Pada Manasiksha first place. Because conditioned soul, mind always got flickering. So for this regard, Raghunath Das Goswami wrote this verse. First you fix your mind. Many people, they are not fixed their mind. What is doing with your mind? Okay.
Too much to work with. Maybe to put too much work, otherwise it don't work. Too much, only little bit, it won't work. Mosquito will come in.
So saying antar nishtha karo, bajye log vyavahar. Fix your mind, but externally behave with your family member. And that's called log vyavahar. If you don't know log vyavahar understand. This is very important. Worldly, external. But internal, your mind should be absorbed with Krishna. So saying, antar nishtha karo, bajye log vyavahar. Achirate Krishna tomai koriben uddhar. So, say, then you do bhajan and actual anishtita bhajan, that is not the anishtita is unsteadiness. Bhajana kriya. Shraddha, sadhusanga, bhajana kriya. Bhajana kriya again two types. One is called nishtita bhajan and the anishtita bhajan. Steadiness and unsteadiness. Unsteadiness bhajana kriya. There are 6 types. Uttamai, Ghanatarala, Buddha Vikalpa, then Nimakshama, Vishaya Sanghara and Tarangarami. So, Kanishta Adhikari, they said in the beginning they very false enthusiastic coming, not really enthusiastic. False enthusiasm. Cooking, cleaning, chanting holy names, everything he is doing. Then after a few months, few years, nothing doing. When he does not know where he is, Japamala. Because this is the nature. Because in the beginning, he is thinking, one day I will become great devotee. I will become Mahabhagavat. For the enthusiastic coming. That is good, but if not prepared to practice, then finish. Not bhajan sadhana. So that is called Utsamai. Second stage, that is called Ghanatarala, thick and thin. Sometimes chanting 5 rounds, sometimes chanting 10 rounds, sometimes 0 rounds, nothing. Maybe 3, 4 days, 5 days, not touching Japamala. So this is not. Thick and thin. Come up and down here. Third stage, that is called Buddha Vikalpa. Buddha Vikalpa is indecision stage. What to do, how to do. That means he cannot take decision. I'll do bhajan and sadhan, my which ashram? Understand? Grihastha ashram or Tyagya ashram? Tyagya ashram, I will in household life or renounced. His mind flickering. And thinking, oh, household life is very hard. Household life is very hard or not? Very hard. Are you feeling or not?
I'm feeling the fire, but now I trust the fire.
Why?
Fire.
Fire.
Now I trust the
Before say not. Now self-realization coming. What to do? Chandramukhi, Surjamukhi, then Jalamukhi. What to do? So sometimes they say, no, I'll do bhajan and sadhan in my household life. Because Pandavas, they were householder. So I will do bhajan sadhan like Pandavas. Just Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Nakul, Sahadeva. Then again, Prahlad Maharaj saying, household life is just like deep, dark, waterless well. Tatsadu manne vasuri varjadena sada samudvigna dhyam asata gruhat hitvatma patam grihanda kopa vanangato jat harimas. So many things. Sometimes they go, I do bhajan, sometimes I do Ambarish Maharaj. Ambarish Maharaj is a householder or a grihastha. Yes. So his mind, there is called sometimes sankalpa and vikalpa. Sankalpa and vikalpa. Sometimes he is taking vow and sometimes he cannot maintain his vow. Sankalpa vikalpa. Mind is also this. He cannot take decision. I'll do bhajan sadhana, which ashram. Then fourth stage, that is called Niyamakshama. Both are step by step. Niyamakshama means not maintain all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. Niyam, aksham, niyamaksham. Aksham means unable to follow the rules and regulations of the Shastra. Sometimes he is taking vow. Every day I will wake up 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. and chant holy name. Sometimes not. This cannot maintain. His body is not working. Sleepiness coming. Or he become very sick. So follow the rules. Sometimes not possible. That's the name of Aranthika. Fifth stage. That's called
actually opposite.
Vishak Sangara. Vishak Sangara means struggling to enjoy the material sense gratification. Struggling to enjoy the material sense gratification. Sometimes you thinking from today I will not do anything. Only will chant holy name, do bhajan and sadhan. Not I will enjoy any kinds of sense gratification. But sometimes he follows these rules, sometimes not. Understand this? Vishay Sangara. Sangara means you are struggling. Vishay means the material sense gratification. Sometimes he conquer himself, sometimes not possible. Our sixth stage, that is called Rangarangani, dancing in the waves of names, fame and reputation. La Puja Pratishta. Because if you practice bhakti, automatically your La Puja Pratishta will come. La Puja Pratishta, name, fame, reputation will come. This is the nature. Bhakti Devi, she will give. She will give name, fame, reputation. And if you not control yourself, then Maya Devi pull down. This is the nature. Because Maya is very powerful. Haridas Thakur performed bhajan and sadhana. 3 times Maya Devi she came on. How many times? 3. Look this. What do you say to others? If you do bhajan and sadhana, Maya Devi she will come. Anyhow. She will take test to you. So, Anishtita bhajan. Then Saddha Sadhusanga Bhajana Kriya Bhajana Kriya Anartha Nivritti. Then coming Anartha Nivritti. Reform how to all the Anarthas. Sarup Brahm, Hidaya Durbullo, Asat Trishna and Aparad. This thing. Duskita Anartha, Sukriti Anartha, Aparad Anartha. Bhakti Uttanartha coming. Everything is step by step. But these anarthas, unwanted things removed from your heart, not at a time, step by step. 5 stages, these anarthas removed from your heart. What are the 5 stages? Ekadashi Vartini, Bahudeshi Vartini, Praiki, Purna, Rastanti. Ekadashi Vartini is little bit Shraddha and Sadhusanga. They one part of anarthas removed from the heart of the sadhaka. Only one part. That is called Ekodesha Vartini. Bahudesha Vartini. Sadhusanga Bhajana Kriya. Then Bahudesha. Coming in stage also. Then coming Praiki. Almost anartha removed from the heart of the sadhak in the stage of Ruchi Dasha. Ruchi, understand? Taste will come chanting holy name. Almost maybe 90%. 90% anartha removed. So still how many? 10%. Purna, when sadhak will come in the stage of asakti and bhavadasa. Then Purna, all you anarthas, go ahead. It's gone.
Which type of qualification?
Konishta Adhikari called Shraddha to Nishtha, that is called Konishta Adhikari. Ruchi to Asakti, that is called Madhyam Adhikari. Bhav and Prem Dasa, that is called Uttam Adhikari. But this is simple, you understand. Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthaniti, Nishtha. Then Bhav Dasa when you come, then you realize your own transcendental constant form. So Ekadashi Vartini, Bahudeshi Vartini, Praiki, Purna. Attantiki Dasa means again your removed anartha will not return back. Bhav Dasa, when sadhak will come in the stage of Bhav Dasa, there's also the chance the anarthas again return back. Generally not coming, but also possible. For this regard, give the example of Bharat Maharaj. Bharat Maharaj, in Srimad Bhagavatam, Bharat Maharaj, he attained in the stage of Bhavadasa. But he attached with the baby deer. So why? Actual Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained, this is called the Maya Vijriminta Lila. What do you say? Maya Vijnana. Mani Yogamaya she arranged this way. Even sadhuk will come in the stage of Bhava Dasa. There is a chance to fall down. Understand this? Because Maya is very powerful. Maya sees always how to pull down the concerned soul. Her duty is this.
Because she's servant of Krishna, she doesn't want to help.
She is helping in this way. This is her helping, purify the heart. Maya, in this way, she has to purify the heart. Otherwise, how possible to bhajan in sadhana?
Pulling down.
Pulling down means she is chastised. If not chastised, you will not do bhajan in sadhana. You think if I am doing this is best, I am best. But you are stupid nonsense. Which for this, So chastisement means is what? Actually this is called the mercy. You understand or not? Yesterday I told, Guru chastise his followers means he is giving mercy. Mother, she chastise her baby or not? Now baby, what are you doing? What you can do? So, no, so don't do. Krishna is told butter. For the mother, Yashoda chastised. Namami saram Sachidananda Rupam Rasad Kundalam Gokule Rajamanam Jasoda Violo Khalabdabamanam Paramrishtamattam Tata Drutta Gopal. Krishna committed 2 offenses. Aparad. What are the 2 offenses? Broke the butter pot and all the milk and yogurt also coming out. He wasted. And second, Krishna, he also he wasted also butter and throwing to the monkey, throwing to the monkeys and crows. This is opera. For the mother Yashoda, she took stick and tried to chastise to Krishna. If mother Yashoda would not chastise to Krishna, Krishna think I am doing this my best. Baby saying this thing, I will take this fire. So mother would be just no, this is not, should not touch. You will burn your hand. So for the baby, no, I want. Baby says he does not know this is fire. So mother, she has love and affection with baby. So you know to touch it. Then baby's hand burn, then mother will suffer also. Baby whole night will cry for his hand. The mother cannot sleep. Bam, bam, bam. This is true. The baby always bam, bam. Nice. All you did also many years. You forget, your mother just tolerant. Our mother tolerant or not? Neither. Bah, bah, bah. Crying, sometimes do this. Or we passed that life. So now we are very curious. Oh, I am very happy. You make so much distress.
Já passaram dessa fase.
You make distress your parents,
São muito felizes.
but you forget.
Mas vocês eram muito estresse dos seus pais. Vocês esqueceram.
So what to do? So that means Mayadevi was saying, Mayadevi, she is in this way chastised to us. Actual, she is her duty to purify our heart.
O papel dela é purificar a nossa.
I do bhajan and sadhan.
Ele faz trabalho sabe.
Don't go Maya. We're saying that don't go Maya.
Não vá para a Maia.
If you go Maya, then
Se for para a Maia,
problem.
vai ser problema.
Big problem or not? Now thinking big problem now, a small problem.
Não, não vai.
That time very difficult to also give up and also accept both.
É muito difícil
What is saying?
aceitar e depois
Very hard to accept.
abandonar também.
You cannot give up or you cannot also
Você não consegue largar
accept.
e também não
There
consegue
the stage is coming.
esse estágio.
You don't recognize you have one problem.
Give an example.
Dando exemplo.
Snake catch the one kinds of mouse. That is not a mouse, you know. That mouse is coming very, very bad smell from their body, and they are also paws is as like very sharp, you know. There is a Suchandar, I don't know English.
Que soltam
Like thorns.
Thorns. Snake is thinking this is a mouse, but that is not the mouse.
Então, a
I push in here also maybe mouse.
Like spikes. Like spikes.
That is called pose. Where?
Like the pores of the it's the stomach.
Schema?
Like some
bota aí na
layers, like
internet.
thin but sharp.
Yeah, this type of.
Or
É o quê?
That the
Like the fish has
Qual animal, Tabu?
layers that cuts, no?
no as well. Yeah, this type of this. No, I don't know. This is name is what?
É como uma espinha.
porcupine. Porcupine.
Look like mouse actually.
Ele parece ratinho.
Small.
Small. These are the big. Yeah, sometimes the one kind of small tiger attack. They attack, then catch it.
Às vezes um tigrezinho pequenininho acha esse bicho
They are very dangerous. But one kind of this look like mouse,
parece ratinho.
small mouse.
Parece ratinho.
But the paws are very strong. That the snake when caught, then can coming in the mouth, not throw and cannot also swallow.
Olha esses bichos.
Then snake will die. Cannot throw because that the paws stuck in their mouth and throat.
Preso na garganta,
Not coming out, not going out.
fica engasgado. Qual bicho é? Você sabe, Tabu?
So for this example is given.
Esse exemplo é dado.
You are coming in the stage, household life. Look, what will do?
Vai na. Tem um estágio da família.
You have to do and take your responsibilities.
Cumprir com as coisas.
You cannot give a household life,
Não dá para largar.
or you cannot also renounce the middle stage.
Você não pode renunciar, mas você também não consegue aceitar. Então você pode
Very difficult this stage. That time, bhajan sadhan, nothing also.
Então, nesse momento, não pode
How do bhajan sadhan? Take care of a baby or do bhajan sadhan? Fala.
do bebê ou faz
And nothing. You have to take care of baby. Eh? Your dharma or not? This is your dharma. Take care of baby. So how do bhajan and sadhana? Nothing. So I was saying this. Huh? Why? Because Mayadevi, she is giving chastise. Huh? What is this?
Yeah, this it's more like red.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Spikes.
Qual que é?
É um rato de espinho.
What is his name?
It's like a spike rat.
Spike rat.
Rato espinho. É um ratinho,
Rocky
só
pine.
que ele é todo espinho. E aí ele agarra da cobra.
And from that body also very bad smell coming. Huh? Yeah.
No, there's no.
Snake is thinking this is rat, I will catch. But when catch, then big problem.
Mas quando ela olha, não tem problema.
Huh?
Then he looks like this. Then when come, then spikes coming.
Ele parece um ratinho, mas quando você se aproxima, ele fica oriçado.
Then become like this.
Very nice.
Ele é bonitinho assim, de repente.
Ele é bem miudinho, mas aí quando ele
Shoulder.
fofinho, ele é fofinho e miudinho. Mas aí
Female June.
ele fica oriçado, aí ele fica daquele jeito.
Very cute.
Ele fica assim,
She's saying very cute.
Cute.
Before.
Yeah, bad smell.
From photo,
What are you?
You have in India also.
Are India everywhere, everywhere.
aí anda com a isso porque ainda tem todo
What is the difference in India and Brazil? I cannot discriminate. Only language discriminate. Portuguese. Oi, moço. Eh? Moça or moça? Oi, moço.
Oi, moço.
Oi. If you shoot the Indian people, they become very angry.
Você fala oi, eles vão ficar com muita raiva.
Understand? You saying or not?
Eles falam,
After discovering, no shame.
Oi.
But before I didn't know.
Oi.
você já falou.
It's very difficult because very natural. Like if you have to call someone from distance, it's very natural for Brazilian. Oh. But this is in India becomes very low. But naturally coming like that. If Rick going away, then
After Brazil, we came within the market and we always oi. And after in Delhi on the market, I told them, I don't know, maybe they humble.
Huh?
Sometimes on the market, like someone doesn't see you doing something like oi. I told in India, in Delhi. But
They don't understand. They think maybe you are English. Maybe they are thinking.
He's not perfect.
not for the going.
like anyway, they will come in here. Oi.
They know you don't know. That's the point. Like even if someone like from someone from outside Brazil say some word that is very bad, like we do not take, like we know this is not from here. It doesn't. I don't know.
Yeah, what is saying?
I'm just say like.
Should you finish that topic? Can I ask a question?
What?
Before you told about like Mahaprabhu, you told this Karuna Shakti, like you're free now, go and distribute this prem to everybody. So this Karuna Shakti is like there is a personification. It's like our Guru Varga.
Karuna Shakti, that is called Srimati Radhika herself. This Karunang Kurumai Karuna Bharite Sanaka Sanatana Varnita Charite. Actually, this Karuna Shakti, this is called the embodiment, the Karuna Shakti, that is called Srimati Radhika herself. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna, Antar Krishna, Bahir Gaura. And inside he is Krishna. And our external, Srimati Radhika complexion. Because Srimati transcendental world, the complexion and body is same. Deha, Dehi, Vida, Nasti. There are no difference body and Atma, soul. Same. And our body and soul difference or not. But Bhagavan, his body and soul same. So in the same, his complexion, everything is transcendent. So Krishna covered with the complexion of Srimati Radhika. That means Srimati Radhika, she herself covered the whole body of Krishna. So for the Radha Lingita Vigraham, Radha Chinta Nivesana Jasya Kanti Vilorpita Shri Krishna Charanang Vande Radha Lingita Vigraham. Radha Alingita means Srimati Radhika, she completely covered the whole body of Krishna. So the Antar Krishna, Bahir Gaura. So far these are saying this. So Deha Dehi Vedanasti. There are no difference body and soul. So that means Karuna Shakti, actually who is the Karuna Shakti? Srimati Radhika herself. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Krishna in this Leela, Gaur Leela, and he is saying, hey Karuna Shakti, now you are free. And you give mercy to everybody. Because Krishna, he is the supreme. And so Tattva Siddhanta, Krishna is giving mercy. Krishna is saying to Srimati Radhika, hey Radhe, now you distribute this prem to everybody. Externally we are saying Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving. And Krishna is giving. Actually, who is giving this prem? Srimati Radhika. So all is saying, without Radha's mercy, we cannot receive bhakti. Even the bhakti's last fraction is called Shraddha. Actually, this Shraddha is coming from where? Only the sprinkled mercy of Srimati Radhika. Without Radha Kripa, we cannot do bhajan and sadhana. Radha Kripa, the mercy of Srimati Radhika. Radha Kripa. So for this regard, in what is called Madhurya Kadamini Grantha also explained this way. Now he Karuna Shakti, now we are free, go. Give the prem to everyone. So that means Krishna, he gives permission to Srimati Radhika. And Srimati Radhika, she performs everything under only the desire of Krishna. Actually, Srimati Radhika, she knows everything, what Krishna you want. Radha Kripa hi kevala. Always remember to Srimati Radhika. Radha Kripa. Because Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are Ishtadev, Srimati Radhika. Madisa Nadatte, Mad Vivran Chandra Braja Vaneshwarim. Madisa, Mad Isa, our Ishari. Ishari means worshipful deity. Srimati Radhika. So Radha ji. Understand? Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki. Jai Jai Shri Radha. How long is speaking?
45 minutes.
Huh? Now we are hungry. We take prasad. Huh? Yesterday you took or not? Not too much.
Not complete.
Not complete.
Something missing.
Right.
Because one of the time we're saying to practice bhakti with opulence, then we're saying that
Huh? Bhakti?
with opulence.
Sorry about it.
Then you were saying Vaikuntha. But you also said that the jivas, when they are generated, right, they have already the sarupa, original mood also. So if you have like Madhurya mood, if you worship Bhagavan with opulence, how come you were saying Vaikuntha?
Are listen to me. In the beginning, you opulence. When if you Sarup, then you realize you. So far they are giving the example. In the beginning of the Shraddha also. Giving this day as like leaves. Two kinds of Oishwarya Mula and the Madhurya Mula. Shraddha also two types. First you understand Shraddha. Oishwarya Yukta Shraddha and Madhurya Yukta Shraddha. For this regard, given example, the first Oishwarya Shraddha is coming. Then do bhajan and sadhan when unearth removed. If your Madhurya mood, then Madhurya Shraddha will be coming up. For they are giving an example at the lips. Bring one lips. At the lips. When the leaves coming out, you can see that's their leaves are there. What is called unfold.
This is both sides.
If only this way. Then coming this way. Didn't find out.
Both are, all the leaves are removed, all the sides.
Okay.
Only Madhurya.
Madhurya leaves. But Madhurya coming. Not opulence. One devotee asked me, why burn Madhurya? Not Oishwarya. He asked me, your website, burn Madhurya. Why not Oishwarya? Only.
Then give back, why not one Madhurya?
Look this, when leaves are coming out, you can they say this way. This fold. You notice in the wings of the bird is coming. You can see this way. This side is very rough. Very rough. Many also lines coming this way. This look this. But when it slowly then unfold. Then coming out this. This coming. And this side opulence. Opulence that is called rough. Rough size that is called opulence. Or inside that is called Madhurya. Very soft and also what is called smooth. So automatically you are this Oishwarya, this is the rough side going down and smooth and soft side coming up. In the same way, if you do bhajan and sadhan, in the beginning your Oishwarya mood. And if you are Madhurya mood, automatically coming out. But at this stage of when you free from Anartha Nivritti Nishtha, at least Ruchi Dasa. Understand? Ruchi means taste will come.
Then you can start developing Madhurya. Then Ruchi can start developing Madhurya.
Automatically will come your Madhurya mood will come. But where is the Madhurya? Inside also opulence. You cannot say there is no opulence. Vrindavan Braj is full of opulence or not? But that opulence covered with the Madhurya. So, in the same way do bhajan and sadhan. If your heart is Madhurya, then it will be coming out. But when can? When it will become? At the stage of Ruchi Dasa. So, Shraddha to Nishtha, and automatically opulence will come. Read Madhurya Kadamini Grantha, give you this example. Very nice. Reading or not?
No, but
Yeah, read this. If you don't think Krishna is not Bhagavan, you think Krishna is an ordinary cowherd boy. If you think Krishna is not Bhagavan, so who is Krishna? Krishna is Bhagavan. For this is Srimad Bhagavatam, first chapter, Ete Changsa Kalapungsha, Krishnastu Bhagavan Sayam. Even in gopis, in their separation mood, there are also opulence coming out or not? There are opulence also coming out. But that opulence, Oishwarya Bhav, not stable, unstable. They are given example, if you boiling the milk, when the milk and you put one small piece of grass, when the milk is boiling, then after a couple seconds, the grass will coming up. Then you can see the grass. Then again going down. In the same way, in the heart of the Braj Gopis, and those are Madhurya Bhav, but in the stage of separation, then 1 second also opulence would come. This is the nature. If not the opulence, how possible opulence come? Oishwarya Bhav come. So that means in this Madhurya Bhav inside also opulence. That opulence completely covered with Madhurya. Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan. How many days? So Brajavasi, they saw this is not opulence. Understand? So Sakhas they told, okay, we help to you. To taking the, what is called? Bamboo stick. Then Krishna, Sakhas, they are joked with Krishna. Look, hey Krishna, you are not alone holding Giriraj Govardhan. We are also helping you. Then Krishna told, okay, you are helping. So I can change my hand, left hand to right hand. Sakha told, okay, why not? Then Krishna just a little bit move his hand, down his hand. Then the whole Giriraj Govardhan statue shake. And all the bamboo stick also bent and crushed. And Sakha they are thinking, oh my God, this Giriraj Govardhan will fall down. Look this. That they cried out. Krishna, Krishna, Mahabahu. Hey Krishna, he would say.
They crack.
Why not? If the big storm will come, this
Even the small cities start to
More
sink,
sense
right? Imagine big mountain.
Turbulence in the airplane.
When the airplane's a little bit sick, then what you do?
Pray.
Krishna
Ah, pray.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna Krishna Maha. Even the atheists, everybody.
They pray to God.
They will say, God save, God save. Before saying, no God, nothing.
God,
I don't believe God is. But when airplane little bit sick, then
they believe in God.
then believe, yes, See that? So Sakha there, this Sakha says, oh Krishna there. Virada. Opulence is there. And so saying this. Gopis in the Virahadasa, they also glorify to Krishna. But this is not, these types of mood not stable in their heart. Jogma arrange this way. Understand? So Gopi Giri is Vishajala Payat Velo Rakshasa Varsha Marutat Vaiduta Nalat. Gopi Gita. They also saying, hey Krishna, you protect to us. They then come. Just saying Krishna. When I remember to Indra, they automatically come. Funny, eh? Vishajala Payat Velo Rakshasa Varsha Marutat. The Indra is showering rain in Braj. Rain coming.
When you say torrential rain, then
Rain coming. Indra Devata is very happy.
Once you told every place will go rain. Rain. The demigods are following you.
Where we are last time, no, which year we are traveling? Only no rain. They are coming, the rain coming.
3-4 months no rain.
Rain coming. So, opulence, Krishna is Bhagavan for this. But Gopis, they are more teachers. Madhurjam. They don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. But Krishna Bhagavan or not? Tattva Siddhanta and Rasa Siddhanta. Always saying two concepts. One is called Tattva and Rasa. When Tattva, philosophy, Aishwarya Bhav. Understand? Krishna is Bhagavan. This is Tattva Siddhanta. Ete Changsha Kalap Pungsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Sandhi Tattva Siddhanta. Our Madhurya, Gopi saying Krishna is our beloved. Nanda Jasoda, they thinking, he is my son, Krishna. And Uddhav tried to explain Krishna is Bhagavan in front of Nanda Maharaj. But Nanda Maharaj did not believe. But finally Nanda Maharaj, he told, hey Uddhav, you try to explain and Krishna is Bhagavan. But I don't believe my son Krishna is Bhagavan. Because I did not see any Bhagavatta in the heart of my son Krishna. Understand? This thing. But when again I do saying, okay, my mind, everything is always absorbed in the lotus feet of your Krishna. Vatsal Bhav coming down to Dasya Bhav. Because this is his humility, Daina. When Daina coming, that time I think, oh, he is Bhagavan, okay, you are saying, I accept. But my mood is what is. Krishna is not Bhagavan. Krishna is my son. Krishna is my beloved. And gopis sometimes also saying this, Brahma Gita. What is saying? Mrigupra Kuvindra Vibrate Rupta Dharma. And Srimati Radhika, she told, Hey Brahma Bragvi, why you are again and again saying and glorify your Krishna? Mrigupra Kuvindra Vibrate Rupta Dharma. I know Krishna's 3 births. How many births, Janma? 3. And his Ram avatar, then his Vaman avatar, then Krishna avatar. Actually, all these katha Gopi, they are heard from Purnamasi Devi. They are no own conception. Sometimes we are saying, oh, this is, I am saying from others Vaishnava. This is not mine. But that is true or not, I am not giving conclusion. You understand? Sometimes you are saying, okay, some Vaishnava told this katha. But this katha is perfect or not, I don't know. You understand? Shastra has Shastra written or not, who knows? So sometimes saying, okay, he says, so I am saying. This is not my conclusion. This is not my own katha. So in the same way, gopis, in their Virha Dasa or in their Man Dasa, they sing this way. And we heard from Purnamasi Devi. Who is saying? Srimati Radhika Gopi is saying. Mrigupra Kuvindra Vibrate Rupta Dharma. And in Ram avatar, Krishna, he killed monkey. How gopis they know? Actual Tattva Siddhanta Gopis, this is not the conception of the Gopis. Sometimes they heard from Purnamasi Devi. Sometimes Purnamasi Devi told the Gopis about Krishna's previous pastimes. Sometimes they believe, sometimes not believe. Okay, she is saying, I am saying this katha. In Ram avatar, he killed, what is it called? Bali. Mrigupra Kuvindra Vibrate Rupta Dharma. And no one can kill the monkey. In India especially, no one can kill monkey. You have killed monkey or not? Are monkey, no one eat the flesh of the monkey.
No skin, nothing.
ये पागल what is saying?
Sometimes some videos like your part,
Who is monkey? You not understand why I am speaking. Even the what is called hunter never hunting the monkey, and because no one can eat the flesh of monkey. So why your question is that? What is saying?
She's saying another animal.
Another animal hunted we are not. Yeah. Human being. Hunter, who is a hunter, human being or animal? Yeah, another pagal. What kind of question you are asking? Oi, pagal. I think hunter means so hunting the animal. That means human being. Leopard or other tiger or they are hunting the other thing.
other animals they eat monkey.
They are eat also. Why not? They are going. If I do ask the question, more and more foolishness will coming out.
I was thinking nobody eats in monkeys. Like I understood like
Nobody means is what? Eh?
people.
Human being.
Human being, hunter.
That's what.
You are too much absorbed in Krishna Lila. Understand? So Gopis they are saying this. Srimati Radhika. But Ramchandra, he killed Bali. Bali also monkey. Eh? So Srimati Radhika CM the same this. Migrup Govindra Vibrati Lubda Dharma. Eh? So question is that how Srimati Radhika she know in Ram Lila Katha. And actual Srimati Radhika, she heard this Katha from Purnamasi Devi. Purnamasi Devi sometimes told Krishna in previous life he was Ram. But Gopis they don't believe. Just listen. And sometimes in their Viraha they are saying, okay, of course. And I think Jaydev Goswami Pad written, Kesavadhrita, Meena Sarira, Kesavadhrita, Kurma Sarira, Kesavadhrita, Shukara Rupa, Kesavadhrita, Narahari Rupa, Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Kesav, mane our beloved Krishna Kesav, he manifested this. Very proud also that time. You understand? This thing. So in the Viraha Dasha, that time also opulence coming. Opulence coming many ways also. How is it called? Oh, how is it called? Viraha and Ashcharya, become very astonished man. What is it called? Some this word, you never seen. And suddenly you saw the opponents coming that time.
And you surprised.
He surprised. Viraha and another astonishment. And any also so any dangers coming before then opponents coming out. He did not see ghost, but suddenly ghost coming, then afraid. Many people they don't believe ghost, but ghost also body is there or not? And ghost coming. Ghost.
Sometimes once Rashi told, like, you can imagine how many ghosts are here, like some living entities settle.
All you are Bhuta. Bhuta means Jiva. Bhuta means Jiva Janat. Mami Vangsha Jivo Loke, Jiva Bhuta. Here is saying that Mami Vangsha Jivo Loke or Jiva Bhuta. Jiva Bhuta. Bhuta Sanskrit word. Bhuta means also past. Bhutakal. Past tense. That is called Bhutakal. Bhuta means also past. When your body past, then you will become Bhuta. When you past body, so what is saying? Past. Bhutakal. Change everything this year. Many meanings coming. Sanskrit word, many meanings coming. So just as told, actual gopis, they when they saying the opulence, and in their different stages. Viraha, and she also coming Buddha. Ghost coming.
Subject. And she just came and bragging her from behind.
Surprise.
Surprise.
Astonishment.
Astonishment. Huh? Jai Jai Jai. Chalo. I'm not taking more. Bole Mahaprasad ki Jai. Who is making Mahaprasad? Huh? What is it?
Mingau, orange, bread.
Okay, now take prasadam because you.
I heard good one. Shivanarayan Dasama.
Jai Shri Krishna.